Hi students, welcome to the channel. Today in this video we are going to cover computer network components. As we all know, if we want to use computer network then we need some components. Okay, so the major important component is client and the server. Okay, first of all we need a computer system with the help of which we can access the internet services. Second thing is we need a server through which we can access the things. To control all these things we need some other devices, some other components like switch and hub. Okay, switch behaves like a central controller, okay, which is used to connect different computers with printers and other hardware systems. And this is hub, this is also a central device. With the help of this we can connect multiple computer systems. Other than these two components we have so many other components like router, server, transmission media, etc. So in this video we will discuss all these in detail. So in this diagram we have a central device with the help of which we can connect our client to the hub. Okay, central device से hub connected होगा and यहाँ से फिर clients connected होंगे. And ये जो file server है यहाँ पे इस particular switch के through हम लोग हर एक file को store कर सकते हैं. And all these are the wires. Okay, this is known as media or transmission media with the help of which our data get transmitted. Okay, so all these are the transmission media, or we can say it as the cables. We can connect all these things with cables or with the help of wireless systems. All these systems are the client systems, or we can also say it as end user system. These are the end user systems. Okay, so let's start with the first thing, that is switch. So first most commonly used component is switch. It works as a controller. It is a controller which connects computers, printers and other hardware devices to a network in a campus or a building. It works under a campus or a building. Okay, it also allows devices on your network to communicate with each other. Suppose these are the computers and with the help of a switch we can connect all these computer systems. Okay, so switch allow multiple devices on a network to communicate with each other as well as with another network. Okay, so it helps you to share resources. With the help of this we can share resources and reduce the costing of the organization. It reduces the cost. Okay, remember this point. This is a connector, okay, which is used to connect two or more different computer systems, and with the help of this it becomes very easier to share some resources. We can share any type of resource between these two computers with the help of switch system. Okay, so next major important point is routers. Routers help you to connect with multiple networks. We can connect with multiple networks. Okay, राउटर, स्विच एंड गेटवेज, ये जो कुछ भी होते हैं, all these are the connectors. All these systems are used to connect multiple computer systems in a network. Okay, so it enables you to share a single internet connection with multiple devices. We can connect multiple devices over a single internet connection, right? And it saves a lot of money. This network components act as a dispatcher. It is also known as dispatcher. Okay, and this allow a user to analyze data sent across a network. With the help of this we can analyze the data sent across a network, and it automatically selects the best route. As its name implies, router, its main working is to set the route for a particular packet. So it helps you to select the best route. route for data to travel and send it on its way. So this is the basic meaning of routers. We will discuss all these points like switch, routers, all these points in detail in some next videos. तो अभी तो हम लोग just overview ले रहे हैं कि all these are the components of computer network. The third most important component is server. Okay, servers are computers. We have discussed this, that servers are the computers that hold shared programs, files and network operating systems. Okay, servers allow access to network resources to all the users, to all the end users of the network. Okay, as we have discussed that server behaves like a central device. Okay, all the things we stored in server, right? There are so many computer systems connected to this server, and all these computer systems are known as client systems or end user systems. Okay, there are so many devices connected to this central device that is known as सर्वर. ओके, जैसे कि हम लोग एग्जांपल लेते हैं फेसबुक का या कोई भी वेबसाइट हम लोग यूज़ करते हैं. वेबसाइट हम लोग अपने कंप्यूटर सिस्टम से यूज़ करते हैं या मोबाइल से यूज़ करते हैं. सो दिस कंप्यूटर सिस्टम और मोबाइल बिहेव्स लाइक क्लाइंट और द एंड यूजर्स. वी आर द क्लाइंट और वी आर द एंड यूजर्स इन दिस एग्जांपल. ओके, एंड किसी भी वेबसाइट में या फेसबुक में या जीमेल में हमारा डेटा जहाँ पे भी स्टोर होता है, दैट पर्टिकुलर थिंग इज़ नोन एज सर्वर. ओके, तो दिस इज़ द मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट component ऑफ कंप्यूटर नेटवर्क. नेक्स्ट पॉइंट इज client. Okay, clients are the computer devices which access the uses of network. Okay, with the help of client system we can access the services provided by this server. Okay, they are also users of the network. They are also the users of network resources, as they can send and receive request from the server. Remember these points, that we are the end users or we are the clients, and from where we can access anything. जैसे कि हम लोग गूगल पे जाके कुछ भी चीज़ को सर्च करते हैं, कुछ भी नाम लिख देते हैं, वो चीज़ हमें मिल जाती है हमारे मोबाइल में या लैपटॉप में. तो वो सब चीज़ें कहाँ से अवेलेबल होती हैं? सर्वर की हेल्प से अवेलेबल होती हैं. और हम लोग मोबाइल या कंप्यूटर यूज़ कर रहे हैं तो हम लोग क्लाइंट्स या एंड यूज़र्स हैं. ओके, सो दीज आर दी मेजर इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग्स इन केस ऑफ कंप्यूटर नेटवर्क. नेक्स्ट पॉइंट इज ट्रांसमिशन मीडिया. Okay, transmission media is a carrier. It is a carrier used to interconnect computers. In a network such as coaxial cable. Transmission media is like some cables. फॉर एग्ज़ाम्पल यहाँ पे हम लोग सर्वर और कंप्यूटर्स को कनेक्ट कर रहे हैं, लेकिन ये कनेक्शन किस चीज़ की हेल्प से होगा? इस चीज़ को हम लोग ट्रांसमिशन मीडिया बोलते हैं. ओके, जैसे कि यहाँ पे ये एक केबल है, दिस इज़ नोन एज ट्रांसमिशन मीडिया, राइट? सो इट सच एज cables like coaxial cable. We have some cables in computing: coaxial cable, twisted pair cable, and some optical fiber cables, etc. Okay, it is also known as links, channels or lines. Okay, in simple terms we can say that transmission media is used for the transmission of the thing from one place to another place. Okay, with the help of transmission media only we can transfer the things. Remember this point. So this is about the transmission media in computer network, and in next videos we will discuss all these transmission medias in detail, right? So this is all about today's video, and some other components related to computer network we will discuss those in the next video. So I hope you like this video. Thank you.